there'll be an angel soon. Sticks and stones may break my bones. My show never ends. Let's play. Get 'em, Manny. I don't wanna. Okay. If it's safe. On my way. Yay! I have no mana. Do you want to play a game with me? Hello. Mommy and Daddy said never to talk to strangers. La 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 la. Can I show you a trick? Are you my mommy? Yes, I'm a real girl, silly. I remember I hugged Daddy until he stopped breathing. Wanna hug? This is Manny. She is my bestest friend. Can I put strings on you? I want to keep you forever and ever and ever. I'm sorry. I hope I didn't make you cry too much. Please, don't make me hurt you.